I'm Jillian Barkume, registered dietitian and product education manager. One of the great things that Isagenix provides is tools to help you support your weight loss goals and amazing protein to help that as well. You can see behind me these people that have lost 100 pounds or more using Isagenix, and one of those key ingredients in their diets has always been this protein. So today in this candid product video series, we are going to be talking to Dr. Paul Arciero, who is an exercise scientist. He's also on our scientific advisory board. We're going to be talking about IsaPro, an amazing product, so let's go meet him. Come on. Hello, Dr. Paul.
Hey, Jillian, how you doing?
How's it going? We're going in for the hug.
The hug, excellent. The Isagenix way.
Yeah, all right. So I'm so excited about this because I love this product, our IsaPro product.
Oh, it's the best.
So can we just start off with just what is IsaPro? We have it right here. We have it in the vanilla, the chocolate, but what is this product?
You know, it is an ideal amount of protein, 18 grams in one scoop. So there's so much versatility and kind of, I like to use the word nimbleness to it because it can be, as we'll soon find out, integrated into your daily routine in so many ways.
And so how is this different than Isoline? I think that's a big question. People say, I have my Isoline shake. What's IsaPro?
So IsaPro is not a meal replacement as the other Isoline and the Isoline Pro is. So it's an added boost of very, very high quality protein that you can incorporate with the shake or in lots of different ways. So
That's
it's an
good to
18
know, yeah.
grams of high quality protein, all the essential amino acids, and so it's really perfect.
So why is, we know protein is important, and we know that it's a really key ingredient in your diet if you want to reach weight loss goals. So why is it so important? How does it work?
Yeah, well, it's because it's a complete protein and because it's so high quality, it's taken up into the body really effectively. So it helps maintain our healthy lean muscle mass. It helps us build new healthy lean muscle mass. It helps curb appetite and hunger,
That's important.
which is really important. So not only is it effective in weight loss, but it's also highly effective in maintenance of weight loss. And then, of course, for athletic performance, it's ideal. So, you know, like I said, it's got so much versatility, and it's such a wonderful addition to your normal routine.
And I love what you said there. I think that's really important. And this is why I say Isagenix work. It's because it's not just going to help you reach your weight loss goals, but it's that maintenance. And I know as a dietitian, I see people going back and forth. I know you've seen it, that yo-yo dieting.
Yo-yo dieting.
But that protein is going to really help you maintain that muscle mass and that healthy metabolism, right? And
That's right.
That's the key to maintenance.
Excellent point. Yes.
Yeah.
So what the protein will do by supporting the lean muscle mass is it'll keep that metabolic rate very high because the muscle mass is a major burner of our metabolism. The other great thing that it does, as I said, it works with satiety, and then it helps curb hunger. And because it's relatively hard to digest, you know, when we look at the comparison of the macros of protein, carbohydrate, and fat, protein is far and above the most thermogenically expensive.
Right, so your body's working to digest
hard.
it, so it's a win-win there, right? You're going to stay fuller, and you're also going to be burning more calories when you're digesting it.
Yep.
Okay, so I really want to talk about some ways to use IsaPro, because I think that probably is the biggest question. You know, if someone's already doing their Isoline shakes, or they're using the Isoline Pro shakes, so how can I use this? And one of them is a post-workout protein boost, right?
Yeah.
And you can also pair that with our Amp Recover product. And for athletes, really great that it's Informed Sport certified too, right? So what does that mean?
Yes, well, the Informed Sport is right now what I refer to as the gold standard of authority over sport nutrition products. And so when you have the leading governing body that is determining whether or not a product is safe and free of any banned substances, you want to turn to Informed Sport. And so Isagenix has Informed Sport certification for a whole bunch of their performance products, and IsaPro is one of those. So they have a great deal of confidence in knowing that there's nothing in there that shouldn't be in there.
Yeah.
And like you said, the versatility of IsaPro is great because you can add it even into an Isoline shake if you want for that little extra boost. And then right after activity, it's really, that's the sweet spot for it.
And I like it because it's not just for athletes, right? I mean,
Yeah.
protein, you can use this in many ways. I also love to use it as a snack option, actually. I'll put it in a shaker cup with a little bit of almond milk, and then I'll use a chocolate IsaPro, and it's like chocolate milk. It's delicious.
Good. I do the same thing.
And
That's
you're getting
great.
some great protein there. You can also add it into recipes. So my favorite is making protein pancakes using
absolutely.
IsaPro. Do you have any recipes that you use?
Well, in my house, we love pumpkin cookies. So IsaPro is a standby for the pumpkin cookies.
I love
I'll make
that.
you some.
Yes, next time bring some in. Okay, and then I really want to spend some time on the Bedtime Belly Buster because IsaPro is a key ingredient in there. So can you just reiterate what the Bedtime Belly Buster is?
Yeah, so the perfect combination for the Bedtime Belly Buster is making sure that you're having this as your nighttime dessert. And you take, the vanilla or the chocolate, you put in some Isagenix, and then you cap it off with a little sleep spray. And that combination, of course, with the sleep spray, with all that it has in it to help enhance sleep, and then the protein, you're going to sleep like a baby.
Yes.
And not only are you going to sleep like a baby, but you're also going to be burning.
Exactly.
During the night,
yeah,
so
getting that metabolism going, which we
getting
talked
the
about. That
metabolism
weight
going.
loss and maintenance is so important.
And then building that muscle.
Exactly. And we know you can use greens. You can also use Isagenix fruits. So
Yep.
if you'd like to use that. And little tip here, you don't spray this into your shake, you guys. So you're going to make your Bedtime Belly Buster before you go to bed, about 30 to 60 minutes. You're going to have it as that sweet treat.
Yep.
And then you're going to use your sleep spray right before you go to bed. We don't want you spraying this into the shake. But it's going to get, like, that great sleep is going to be important for helping with those weight loss goals. Yeah. And then getting that protein and boosting that, supporting that healthy metabolism is really important.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, so make sure you add IsaPro into your next order. Get the additional Belly Buster products as well. We now have the Bedtime Belly Buster bundle, so just add it onto your order. Super easy, so you can get it all set, ready to go. And let's do a few key takeaways here. So number one, IsaPro is a high-quality whey protein concentrate with 18 grams of protein.
18.
Love that amount. It's not a meal replacement, though, so don't be using this in place of your Isagenix shakes. We still want you to have those. And then it can be used as a post-workout, a snack. You can use it in recipes, or, my favorite, as part of the Bedtime Belly Buster. All right, Dr. Paul, thank you for being here.
Oh, it's my pleasure. I love it.
And for more information on all of our products, please check out isaproduct.com.